My name is Dr. Vinay Aggarwal. I am a Pediatric Nephrologist, Associate Director at Max Saket Hospital, New Delhi. I have been in Pediatric Nephrology for almost 40 years. What I will be doing in future in eConceptual platform, some videos regarding nephrological topics which you can get subscribed or they can be made available at that site. The topics which will be chosen will give you basic information as well as information which is useful for examination purposes. Certainly, it will be useful also for their clinical practice. So you are welcome and subscribe eConceptual platform. Thank you.